Are you tired of buggy cloud-based software, files getting lost, and monthly fees for limited features? You'll want to check out Surecuts a Lot 6, the powerful offline design software that puts you in control. Say goodbye to monthly subscriptions and the need for an internet connection. Surecuts a Lot 6 allows you to work offline, ensuring stable performance regardless of how many users are online, even during the busiest holidays. Save your files locally on your computer, keeping them safe and within your control. No more worries about slowdowns or losing files in the cloud. Surecuts a Lot 6 is one of the most advanced and affordable softwares for your personal electronic cutting machine. Here are just a few of the features included. Surecuts a Lot 6 has one of the most advanced tracing features available, especially for the price. It's a must-have. You can specify the amount of colors you want, which is handy when you want to trace something that you will eventually cut out of vinyl or HTV. And you can even resample whatever you're tracing in case the original image is low quality. Once you have it traced, simply save it as an SVG and import into your software. Surecuts a Lot also includes a robust rhinestone feature. Import any font or shape and turn it into a rhinestone template, which you can then import and cut in Design Space or Brother Canvas. Surecuts a Lot makes it easy to add text, resize, create shadow layers, bridge warp, type on arc, adjust individual letter width and tracking, and a lot more. You can also warp your text without a monthly subscription. Surecuts a Lot 6 also includes an eraser tool, which makes editing SVG files a breeze. During this special sale, you'll get a bonus $6.99 gift card to Dreaming Tree so that you can try out some of our amazing 3D paper projects. Choose from bags, boxes, pop-up cards, or one of our amazing centerpieces or luminaries. You won't find paper crafts like this anywhere else. We're also including a full written manual that covers Surecuts a Lot from A to Z. The manufacturer does include a basic help section, but that wasn't good enough for me, so we sourced something better. The manual covers topics like installation, handling files, organizing layers, working with text, tracing, and drawing, and the list goes on. Oh, and take a look at some of the wonderful reviews from our existing customers. Cynthia says, no matter what machine you use, Scal is a must-have for endless editing, designing, personalizing, etc. capabilities. I love this product. It's very easy to use for my needs and it works flawlessly with Cricut Design Space. That's from Debbie. Perfect complement to Cricut Design Space. Easy to create, save, and upload. I bought a Brother Scan and Cut but found the Canvas software very limiting. Found Scal so much more versatile. Well worth the money. So take advantage of the special deal while you can. Get rid of that monthly subscription and take your cutting machine capabilities to the next level.